Difference between headline inflation and core inflation. Think of inflation like the rising cost of things in the market. 1. Headline inflation. Headline inflation is equal to price rise of all important goods and services people use. It includes food, vegetables, fuel, petrol, electricity, clothes, transport, medical expenses, everything in CPI basket. In India, headline inflation is mainly measured using Reserve Bank of India target CPI inflation. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation calculates CPI. Example: suppose tomato prices rise, petrol prices rise, milk prices rise, then overall inflation rises. This is headline inflation. 2. Core inflation. Core inflation is equal to inflation after removing food prices, fuel prices, because these prices change suddenly due to rain failure, war, international crude oil prices, seasonal changes. Core inflation shows real underlying inflation trend in the economy. It mainly includes education, rent, healthcare, clothing, services, manufacturing goods. Easy memory trick. Type includes headline inflation, everything. Core inflation, everything except food plus fuel. Which one does RBI control? RBI mainly targets headline CPI inflation. The Reserve Bank of India officially targets 4% CPI inflation plus 2%. This target is based on headline inflation, not core inflation. Then why does RBI watch core inflation? Because core inflation tells RBI whether inflation is becoming permanent, whether demand in economy is overheating, whether salary, rent, service prices are continuously rising. Core inflation helps RBI understand, is inflation temporary or deeply spreading? Why RBI cannot fully control food inflation. Food inflation depends on rainfall, crop production, supply shortages, global prices. Even if RBI increases repo rate, it cannot produce more tomatoes or onions. So monetary policy has limited effect on food inflation. Final one-line UPSC answer. Headline inflation includes all items including food and fuel, while core inflation excludes food and fuel to show underlying price trends. The Reserve Bank of India officially targets headline CPI inflation but closely monitors core inflation for long-term monetary policy decisions.